Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Axon 11, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So let's get started by opening up the Contacts app, which is the standalone version right here. Let's skip signing in, and from here, once it's open, you want to tap on the three bars and go to Settings, where at the bottom you should see Import option. Choose that, and from here select that you want to import from SIM card. Okay, and this will show you all the contacts that are on that SIM card. Now from here you can deselect contacts that you don't want, so you could just tap on them like so, and just keep selected the ones that you want to move. From here tap on the check mark, and as you will see, two SIM contacts imported. So if we go back, there they are. Those are the two contacts that I have imported. So it's a fairly quick and easy process. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.